Everyone, just wanted to give you a quick video here. Wanted to let you know, looks like I was watching the stock PACB here October 9th, 2015, 3:13 p.m. have a high of day test where it failed, and there's a huge sell-off here, and I wanted to share this video live because it's coming up on a period where it's drastically ripped below the Bollinger Bands, and it's consolidating here at about an 823 to 825 period. For me, a buying signal, especially in a forward moving stock. Sorry about that. It indicates that momentum is starting to move back in towards the positive direction. This thing fell from 849 all the way to 823, so about 24 cents or so, and it's consolidating here at the bottom. But I'm up $490 for the day, but I'm probably gonna see if I can take another stab, see if I can break over 500 potentially. We'll see how much. The volume's kind of dying off on this, but if we start to get some upward momentum and these lines cross, I might take another stab here and see if we can move back up towards averages of 830, 840-ish for a couple of shares. Just to let you know, these are some of the things that I watch for. As you can see, the momentum has moved down obviously drastically about 4 minutes ago, and then the momentum has kind of started to move back in the positive direction slowly, which is normal. But I'm definitely watching the tickers. I'm definitely watching level 2, and if I can see these lines cross and I can see some positive movement in the upward direction, I may take a stab at this a long position, just to try and see if I can add some more icing to the cake. If not, oh well, you know, I'm gonna see if I can put a stop maybe at 820, so maybe like a 10-15 cent stop. Let's do 1,000 shares, just because the stock has been moving so much, and I really don't feel like giving back much profits on the easy trades. So pretty big bidder there. Okay, so the lines are crossing now, and we're getting towards the 0 mark. This is exactly what I look for. Now we just need to find whether or not buyers are going to come in and start hitting 826 or not. Start to see low amounts. As long as we see green here and we start seeing numbers above, 100 and 200, and we see this volume come in above the average, to me that is a clear indication that this thing is getting ready to go in the upward direction. Pretty decent war going on here between 825 and 826. So we need a clear defined direction here. Okay, it's got some nice little bids here. Not a whole heck of a lot, but if this fails, then I'm not going to go into it. But if it does, then I'll definitely ride the momentum. Very, very low volume here, as you can see from the candles that are being produced. They're very, very tiny. Okay, so let's see here. So 1,000 shares at 825. And this is the moment where the stock is basically like a 2x4 standing on its end. It hasn't determined yet which direction it's going to go. So it just had a big, huge sell-off. Obviously, the most logical way is to do a little bit of recorrection, but if you look at the bigger picture, PACB is up almost 10% for the day. So here we go. A little bit of movement. Let's see the increase in volume. Okay, so we've moved up 3 or 4 cents. Let's go ahead and go long. 827. Let's go ahead and put our stop in around 824. I want to see this thing start to move a little bit more than what it's already done. I'm kind of at break even right now, but sometimes it'll take a little bit. Put that stop in there so that I can protect myself. If the stock does fall below 824, I'm going to be liquidated, get out, take my loss. I was wrong. Very important to always do that. One thing I'm always looking for is I'm looking for the bidders to rise up above where I bought it, and as predicted, this is moving upward. Need a little bit more volume here. There we go. I'm okay with slow and steady, but I definitely like it to get out of my range. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up just a little bit above break even, just because if it does come back down, then I can just pay for commissions and not give my broker any money. They already get enough of my money. So hopefully this keeps on moving up, and I can just keep riding my stop up. This is the best position to be in this is the best position in the world to be in a trade, is when a stock is moving up like this. Hopefully it can keep going up, and so I can keep riding it up and show you guys on the video here how I protect profits, because at first I was just protecting losses. Now I'm protecting profits. Oh, see, got stopped out. So still made some money on that, but that's the most important thing to have when you have a stop in place, is that it protects you. See, had I not had that stop, I made a little bit more money there, but it came slamming down, which is a little bit abnormal. That is abnormal, but you have to have your stops in place to protect yourself, because if you don't, then you're just losing capital. So that could have been a head fake there. I still might kind of like this, but the momentum is definitely, see, I probably put my stop a little bit too close, but I'm really not looking to give back any profits at all at this point, because I'm having a pretty good day. 4 for 4 already. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a little video lesson there. It's got 40 minutes until the market closes, so I'm probably done for the day. I mean, $500 is pretty good. I can't be too greedy. So thank you. If you enjoyed the video, comment, like, subscribe.